search. See, he can search. You are teaching a topic, he can search. But if you provide him reading material for what you have taught, he gets that as ready-made and he searches, he gets extra material.
Yeah.
How much time you want the student to waste just to search material? We are reluctant to provide material. One more thing, which I feel young teachers, or rather not young teachers, we teachers should, retired or senior teachers should help the young teachers is, if I have taught a course, I should not have any hesitation in passing on my notes, my slides to you. You know, in the US, the course which is being taught by another teacher, the senior teacher tells him, if you want, you can teach it in your own way. If you want, I'm ready to provide you with all the reading material and my slides. So they give the whole material to the coming teacher. Now a young teacher who has to teach 4 courses, he cannot prepare afresh every course. See, when I pass on my material to you,
Yeah.
you may turn out to be a better teacher
Yeah.
because you have my material ready and you're reading your own. But that should give me satisfaction, not a feeling of uneasiness. That my younger colleague is better than me.
That's a really important message. And that's okay. I mean, that's about the teachers. Then what would you like to give message to students of philosophy?
One message to students of philosophy is that don't look at philosophy only as a career. Look at philosophy as a way of life. Try to bring philosophy into your lives and try to reflect in your lives. We do find students who are with a religious background, they definitely take up such courses and they do use the philosophy that they have studied in their lives. But the others who are more interested in core philosophy, they don't necessarily try to apply this to their lives. I feel application is a very important role. And yes, most importantly, we should reach out and have projects wherein we can go and speak up to the masses. And in that, the students also should themselves take initiative.
Yeah, that sort of a initiative hasn't taken place so far. So we'll definitely think about taking up such projects where we can get the opportunity to reach out to the masses and then introduce.
And also, we should reach out to the school students.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised to know that in Iran and in the Gulf countries, these people teach philosophy at the school level. Due to which, here we look at the Irani students in a very different way. But if we ever try to see, they have a lot of, especially when I went for this Asia-Arab dialogues to Morocco, I found that their knowledge of philosophy was very deep. And they said, we have started studying right from school days. Only thing is they are not able to communicate with us in English. So we don't really give due respect to our Irani students. To reach out to the students at school level, young teachers and students would be the best resource persons.
Yeah, there is also an interesting idea that starting introducing the philosophy at the school level itself, so that they can come up with better understanding of the philosophy at the higher level. Now, I would like to ask you, which that point I missed in between, about your the work on Sikhism, philosophy of Sikhism.
See, as advised by Professor Balenge, along with my other courses, I have continuously been working on philosophy of Sikhism, and usually almost every year I have been presenting papers on philosophy of Sikhism, and that's my first love, to tell you the truth. And I continue with that even today. I continue my research in philosophy of Sikhism, being a Sikh, and I feel that much work has not been done on philosophy of Sikhism. Whether we go to Guru Nanak Dev University or we go to Punjabi University, the departments there are having either historians or people from languages. But the work on philosophy of Sikhism is very, very less, due to which I feel that I must continue my work in philosophy of Sikhism. I have been writing and I want to continue with this.
Okay, ma'am, this was really a nice time to have an interaction with you. You have given a couple couple of important points to us and to our students also. We will definitely try to incorporate all your suggestions in our you know career, or in our teaching in department of philosophy. Like as you suggested, that reaching out to the schools and trying to start the introducing the courses of the philosophy in the schools, and then reaching out to the masses, or as you said, start to work in ethics areas like bioethics and medical ethics. We will definitely take up these challenges, and definitely with your blessings we can definitely progress in philosophy. Thank you very much. With that, we'll end this interview. Thank you very much.
Om Nasadasit Tadanim Nasit Rajono Vyoma Paroyado Kimavadivah Kuhagasya Sharamanna Ambah Kimasid Gahanangabhiram